Severe weather will be making a return to the U.S. starting with today. We have a 2 out of 5 slight risk all the way back up over here, mostly for South Dakota. This will be with a double barrel 2% tornado threat. And we did just get a tornado warning inside our threat. That would be right there. But here's our 2%. We have two 2% tornado threats, 15% wind threat, and then a 15% hatched hail threat. That's a 2 out of 5 for today, 2 out of 5 for tomorrow, where we have another one back up over here for South Dakota into Iowa. This will be with a 2% tornado threat, a 15% hatched wind threat, mostly centered around Omaha, Nebraska, and then a 15% hail threat with, then day 3, we have a slight risk back up over here for Ohio and all the way up over here in North Dakota. This one, I've been watching this one right up over here. They'll probably extend it tonight whenever they come out with the day 3 outlook. I feel like they may extend this slight risk on up more like this. But I've been watching this risk. It does kind of look interesting, but it's a little far out to say, especially with it being Ohio. But then it doesn't stop there. We have a day 4 slight risk, which a little bit rare to see. Back up over here for North Dakota, could see some of those photogenic tornadoes potentially. And then on the day 6, we have another one pretty well in the exact same spot. So it looks like we'll have several rounds of northern wind. Like, we're going to, basically the way our trough will be moving is if you come over here, this is just a quick little model run. If you come over here, we're going to have a lot of wind shear further up to the north, where usually your wind shear would trough down, come through, but in the summer months, usually you have more of a trough that usually stays a little bit more to the north, and that's where you get those Dakota tornadoes where we had like Gary last year. But this is what the future radar could look like as we go throughout the day. Several supercells could fire in Kansas and Nebraska, and then over here in South Dakota. But I don't think there'll be a huge tornado threat. Definitely think a few isolated tornadoes will be possible. But if you like this forecast, be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.